Hello guys, in today's video we are going to take you through the step-by-step guide on how you can create your first Facebook ads campaign and start promoting your business, your brand, and selling any kind of products or service you want to sell on Facebook. So to do that, you just have to first head over to business.facebook.com. Here we go. So creating ads on Facebook is done from the Facebook Ads Manager, and to access Facebook Ads Manager you can either do that through the business account as we just did, or you access the Ads Manager directly from the URL. So I'm going to show you the two methods that we always go with, the one that's more suitable for you. So let's access Ads Manager from the business account. Here, this is our business account dashboard, and to access Ads Manager from here we are going to look at this. Click on this all tools here. When we click on the all tools, you're going to see, it's going to take you here where you're going to see several other features that you can use to manage your business on this platform. So what we are looking for, Ads Manager. Ads Manager is at the right hand side. You can see Ads Manager here, so you click on Ads Manager. Here, this Ads Manager dashboard, and as I said, you can either access through the business account or you access directly. So let's also access directly, and it will also take us to this same place. To access Ads Manager directly, you are going to go to adsmanager.facebook.com. okay, this is adsmanager.facebook.com. then we click on go. It's going to take us to the same place. You can see it's loading. Okay, this is our Ads Manager dashboard. It has taken us to the same place. The first thing you check here before you start creating this campaign is to verify or confirm that the ads account you want to use and run this ad is a particular one you have funded specifically for this campaign. So to confirm if it is actually the ads account that you want to use that is selected, you can see here. Just look here, you are going to see 500 ads accounts. You can see it, campaigns, 500 ads accounts. If you toggle here now, you are going to see other ads accounts if you have multiple ads accounts. So as I said yesterday, you can fund different ads accounts, and the fund in one ad account can only serve for that ad account. It means that if you have fund in the second ad account and you don't have fund in this one that you selected, the ads cannot run because the ads account you selected does not have funds. So I believe you understand that. Having said that, we are going to head over and click on this create to start creating our campaign. Click on this create. Okay, when we click on this create, it's going to take us to this particular place. You select the kind of campaign objective. The first thing you are going to do is to define your campaign objective. What is your objective of the campaign? You have awareness, you have traffic, you have engagement, you have leads, you have app promotion, you have sales. All these things are self-explanatory depending on the kind of business you want to promote. So later on I will clarify you so you understand better when to use any of them, so that this video will not be long. So if you are going for awareness, you are creating awareness. If you are going for traffic, you want to send traffic to a destination, maybe to your website. If you are looking for engagement, maybe for comments on your posts or whatsoever. Then if you are looking for leads, you want to get leads, you want to get contacts, people's contact, you want to get people's email. If you are looking for app promotion, maybe you are promoting for app, you are promoting an app rather. So if it is for sales, maybe you are selling something whereby is basically maybe on-site purchase. You are selling online products whereby customers will have to purchase on a website or on your landing page, or whichever way. So let's assume that you want to send traffic to a website, or you want to sell something. Let's choose the campaign objective as sales, the last one, which is sales. So any of them can serve depending on your purpose. So you can see sales finds people likely to purchase your product or service, conversions, catalogs, messenger, Instagram, and all that. Also you can get calls through this. Okay, we talk of the buying type. Check your buying type, you leave it in auction. All this I'll be explaining the difference later in our videos, in a separate video. So leave it in auction. I will explain the difference between the auction and reservation later. So you click on continue. I don't want this video to be long. So when you click on continue, you are going to have this advantage shopping campaign. Choose the second one, which is manual sales campaign. It enables you to set this thing yourself, but if you select the first one, the system will just configure it for you, but the second one will enable you set up this. So you click on continue, as I've done. Click on continue. Okay, here you are going to name your campaign name. You are still in the campaign level. There are 3 level: campaign, assets, and creative. So the first level in creating ad is campaign. So you name your campaign. That's the way you name campaign, depending on what you want to say. Okay, let's say sales. The objective is sales. That's why I'm starting with sales. Men shoes campaign. Okay, I've named our campaign men's shoes campaign. Then we head over here. This one is saying categorize your ad, leave that place. It's only applicable when you are running ad for politics or social issues, but you are not running ad. It's a special category, so always leave that. Don't declare it as a special category. Then here you have the buying type, which I said we should set as auction. It's already our campaign objective is sales. Click here to show more options to know if there is any other thing you need to set. Campaign spending limit. If you want to set a spending limit that once you get to this specific amount, maybe you have too much money in your ads account, you don't want the campaign to spend more than your budget, so you can set campaign spending limit. Once this campaign reaches so amount, let it pause. Or say you have multiple campaigns running for the same product, so you can set campaign spending limit for any of them that you don't want to run above your budget. So then you now go here to advantage campaign budget. This advantage campaign budget, you can just leave it like that. Then if you want to turn on A/B testing, all these things are what I'm going to explain later, so that you know when you always be the one to make a choice of whether you want to use this one or not. So but I'll be explaining them all for you. Okay, I think you leave everything this way. Then you click on, okay, you can see next down here. Then you click on next. When we click on next, it's going to take us to the next stage, which is the ad set level. So in the next video, we are going to continue with setting up the assets.